Hey guys, welcome to my channel. PNY Prepper here. Just want to give you an update on what's been happening with the ammo scare this year. Is there really an ammo scare? I said that because I've been reading from forums online and seeing some videos that there will be, or there is already, an ammo shortage, particularly for this type, the 7.62 by 39. Just a background, I think Russia, actually Putin, said that they will no longer export Russian-made ammunition to the US. So it basically affects other calibers like the 9, the 40, the 45 if you shoot tula ammo. I use this when I go shooting on outdoor ranges, okay, to save my money. But the caliber that is greatly affected is the 7.62 by 39. Why? Because there isn't any other out there. I've seen some US made 7.62 by 39 I think once or twice last year, and they are very expensive, like twice or three times the price of the tula ammo. Okay, so yesterday I went to Walmart and Academy, and they are fully stocked with the 7.62 by 39 tula ammo and the other calibers, and nobody's buying. What strikes me the most is that this, I took a picture, their alternative, the Monarch steel case 7.62 by 39, is on sale from $549 to $519, and yet nobody's buying. Okay, and the other brand, Hot Shot, from $549 to $519, is also on sale. So I did my research. Hot Shot is being imported by Century International, so it's an import, but these are alternative if you can't find this anymore. And basically, what's my take on this is that I forgot the figure, but there are millions of AKs worldwide, okay, and Russia is not the only one using the AK rifle, okay, or even the SKS. So even if this, like I said, this is my opinion on the matter. Even if Russia won't send their ammunition to us, I think other countries out there that uses the AK round or the SKS round will be able to supply us with the 7.62 by 39. So what's my take on this? Don't budge as a gun owner. Don't make this year, 2014, a repeat of last year's ammo crisis. Is there really an ammo crisis, or we just did it to ourselves? So this is PNY Prepper. Thanks for watching.